Not always do our plans materialize. Not always do our expectations fetch congruous results. Not always do our efforts bear fruit. And then, at times, we are faced with staggering circumstances. A handicapped child is born. A person dies in the prime of his youth. A flourishing business suddenly runs into great losses. A young lady becomes a widow. Cruel relatives deprive their blood relations from even the basic necessities of life. The list, of course, is unending. The result of all this, more often than not, is quite predictable. Depression, continued sorrow, and sometimes severe anger and rage. The unexpected brings out from within us reactions which cross limits. The Quran says that there may be various reasons for such untoward circumstances. While explaining one of them, it says, "And sometimes you dislike a thing, and in reality there is great welfare for you in it. And sometimes you like a thing, and in reality there is great harm for you in it. God knows, and you know not." It is thus expected of a Muslim to submit to the Almighty in all circumstances, with the belief that whatever has happened was best for him. We cannot always grasp the profundity of the Almighty's wisdom. Time, however, often tells us how the untoward happening actually positively influences the course of our life. So instead of becoming upset and frustrated, we must resign to His will. We must resign to God's will and wait to see how things ultimately take shape. In short, all is well, even if it does not seem to end well.